Hey guys, this is our 100-mile-an-hour Helion. Well, not quite yet. All we need, lots and lots of power and a little bit of control, and it might just do it. So, job number one, out with the old. That's seriously stuck in there. So, maybe the cold. It's not warm, is it? Oh, screwdriver's bending more than anything else. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm not even sure this is going to fit in the body, in the chassis, to be honest. And if it doesn't fit, you can always cut something out and make it fit. Oh, it's going to fit. Look at that. Well, after a huge amount of faffing around, it would appear that this receiver, through all of its week or 2 weeks old, has failed. Right, Castle Creations test, Helion, 100 mile an hour. Not going to do it today, it's only on 3S. Does it work? That look. 3 minutes tyre split. So these standard tyres are obviously of no real use. Screws come out of there, so that glue's kind of wobbly. But on the other hand, screws right there on the top. Look, how useful. On the other hand, we've got so much power, it's just not even funny. And that's purely on 3S. We can double the volts into this thing. Another pinion right there. What's that? It's got 15 tooth. Mike, you're going to want that. I'll put it up there for you. There we go. I'm quite excited. I think this is going to be good. Now I'm going to go and get warm. Hey YouTube, this is part one of our attempt to make a 100-mile-an-hour Helion. This is going to be funny. No, it's not. It's going to be crazy, bonkers, awesome, or it's going to explode in a ball of fire.